guess what? We have a new ride to talk about on this channel. This new vehicle to me is a 2014 Cadillac ATS4. Bought for the reasonable price of $7,000. You know, looks good. I like it. Yada yada. You know, branded title and all that jazz. And oh my hell, what the hell happened here? The purpose of this car for me will be as a new winter kind of daily driver, but at the same time I still have an FRS. Initial plans are, you know, to fix the problems, drive it, and I'm thinking there'll be some little upgrades like maybe exhaust, a tune, things like that. But then we've got maintenance because I cannot comfortably say that it's been taken care of. So, you know, oil change, spark plugs, transmission change, like the fluid change. But let's go off of what the actual problems are right now. We have, I think you can kind of see it, but we have cracks here. So I've been too afraid to roll that window down. As you can tell, we need a hood, a bumper, a fender. I'll pop the hood, but the radiator support here, like there's a bend here, but as you can see, it's got bolts. So I'm going to replace the radiator support, get a new fender liner if I can find one, and fix or replace brackets. But it's kind of dark. You can kind of see how twisted one of those control arms are. So in the next video, I have boxes right there. We're just gonna replace both control arms on both sides and end links, just cause, you know, you're there. But here's just a quick and dirty coverage of the vehicle. It's, I don't know, it's a base model, but it's not shabby. I mean, the only thing I might have liked is a sunroof, but I don't care enough. We've got 107,000 miles on it, a little baby radio here, standard little cubby thingy, but the interior is in pretty good shape, as you can tell from the dark. Standard, you know, here's your modes for driving, all that jazz. I do plan on getting a different stereo in here. I know there's Tesla type ones where it's a big ass screen here. I don't want that. I would like just a replacement if I can find something that also retains like the speaker or the microphone and the controls in there that you probably can't see very well. Nice sounding audio, nice interior. Yeah, it's overall in good shape, you know, minus the damage up there. So here's the project. If you have any ideas, like if you see this and you want to volunteer some info on good stereos or good upgrades, I do also plan on getting a catch can because I had read that can be the death of these engines, is oil circulating and yada yada. So a catch can, could be wrong, it's just something I had read. Oh, and also I had read that the rear diff can the breather can clog up, so I plan on changing that fluid also and cleaning out the breather. Anyway, that's the skinny of what I plan on doing for this car, and hopefully make it a nice little driver, maybe give it some oomph. 270 plus horsepower stock, might aim for 300. We'll see what the difficulty is there. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a good day, and bye-bye.